Greetings and salutations. Today I'm going to connect a USB wireless adapter to a Kali Linux virtual machine within VirtualBox. This will grant Wi-Fi access to the virtual appliance. For this demo, I will be running MX Linux as the host machine. If you would like to install it yourself, a link to a step-by-step video guide is in the description below. With that being said, let's begin. Firstly, check if your USB wireless adapter is plugged into your host machine and it is working properly. Open a terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard. Type in LSUSB to list USB devices. Alternatively, type INXI_N to show network device information. As you can see, a Ralink MT7601U wireless adapter is connected. If you still can't see your wireless adapter, follow the instructions in the Wi-Fi driver's troubleshooting video link below. Secondly, open VirtualBox on your host machine. If you haven't installed it, search for the package in Synaptic Package Manager or MX Package Installer. Once up and running, import your Kali Linux virtual appliance into VirtualBox. A Kali virtual appliance download link is in the description below. Click on the appliance imported, then click on the gear icon for settings. On the settings window, move to USB and check Enable USB controller. Next, move the cursor to the Add New USB filter icon and click it. Select your USB wireless adapter and click OK to save the changes. Start your virtual machine. Once logged in, click on the network icon and you will notice only a wired Ethernet network is available. Open a terminal in Kali and repeat step 1, typing INXI_N. You'll notice your adapter is not listed, so shut down Kali for now. Fourthly, go back to VirtualBox settings, USB, enable USB controller and select USB 3.0. Save the changes and restart the Kali virtual machine. Log in, open a terminal and type INXI_N. The wireless adapter is now visible. Click on the network icon and Wi-Fi networks should now be available. Connect to a preferred Wi-Fi network. Lastly, to verify the internet connection through the USB adapter, let's disconnect the wired connection. Next, in your terminal, type ping.google.com. Once you've confirmed it, press Ctrl+C to exit ping, and that's it, we are done. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep winning.